Floods in Kulim have forced 225 residents from 66 families to evacuate to temporary relief centers. The Masjid Al-Muhtadin Center in Sungai Seluang opened at 10 p.m., sheltering 186 evacuees, while another 39 were moved to the Naga Lilit Kedah settlement at 4 a.m. 9 villages were inundated, including Kampung Sungai Seluang Atas, Kampung Bukit Sarang Ayam, Kampung Siam, and Kampung Naga Lilit. Civil Defense Officers Captain Amirul Alif Ahmad said the evacuees include 66 men, 73 women, 35 boys, 48 girls, 3 infants, and 23 senior citizens. Rescue operations involve 47 personnel from multiple agencies. Weather conditions have since improved with river levels receding. A third relief center at SK Permatan Tok Dek was activated at 5 a.m. with numbers still being updated. Authorities continue to monitor the situation and urge residents to remain vigilant.